Do you take a lot of notes? Whether you're in school or working in a career that demands you to take down ideas often, making notes on a laptop may be more convenient. But physically, writing something down helps you remember and learn more effectively. Putting a real pen to paper also feels fantastic. However, having a digital backup makes it easier to organize and study when on the go. There are e-ink tablets, smart pens, and notebooks designed to preserve digital versions of your handwritten notes or sketches. You may save files as PDFs, pictures, and Word docs, or transcribe them to a text file in Google Docs to make all of your notes searchable. Some of these gadgets can also record, which is useful for lectures and interviews. If you're curious, stick around to the end to see all of the best digital interactive notebooks. Let's get right into it. At first, we have a reusable notebook from Rocketbook called Rocketbook Core. Brand new notebooks bring a lot of excitement, but they may also be wasteful. Rocketbook produces many reusable notebooks, calendars, and accessories such as flashcards. Take notes with an erasable Pilot friction pen, scan photographs to the Rocketbook app, then use the moist microfiber towel to erase everything. The app is intended to keep everything organized and allow users to effortlessly share items to Google Drive, Evernote, OneNote, and a variety of other destinations. The paper isn't as comfortable to write on as regular paper, but it's designed to resist damp cloth. If you made a lot of notes every day, you'd undoubtedly want high-quality paper, but this notebook is going to last as long as you take care of it. Next, we have for beginner artists, the Iskn Repaper graphic tablet. Repaper allows you to take notes just as simply as the other items on this list. But I believe artists, particularly those just starting started, would benefit from the ease with which they may digitize their work. Repaper utilizes a tablet and magnets rings to automatically digitize notes as you write on actual paper. Any appropriately sized paper will function as long as it is larger than the tablet. However, any writing tool that fits a Repaper ring will not produce an exact digital replica. If you want, the Repaper Studio app will display your work in real time. This is especially useful if you want to draw directly on the tablet using the included stylus rather than paper, or if you're sharing your screen via Zoom for class. If not, you can complete and upload your project later. You may also download shareable time-lapse videos. Then we have the Apple iPad. 9th General e-ink notebooks are gentler on the eyes and feel more like paper than a glass screen tablet. But in some cases, you might spend less, getting an iPad and an Apple Pencil and a keyboard if you also want to type sometimes. You may also do more with them, owing to the thousands of applications available in the App Store, while still taking notes and drawing. An iPad is often easier to use than many of these digital notebooks. Next is the Boox Note Air 3C. Boox offers excellent e-ink tablets for taking notes. However, they are significantly more expensive and heavy to carry around. Writing using the stylus on the Note Air 3 seemed natural and surprisingly comparable to pen and paper, much like with the other two options. The tablet comes in two versions, the normal Air 3, $400, with a monochrome screen, and the Air 3C, $500, with a muted colored screen. However, opening applications and starting the device is slower than I'd like, and it takes some time to adjust to Boox's Android system. Read the user manual thoroughly, since there are features and gestures you can learn to help the process go more smoothly. And lastly, what I think the best digital notebook is the Remarkable 2. This is one of the category's most recognizable names. The matte screen feels like paper, writing on it is fast and sensitive, and the battery life is excellent. It can hold a charge for several weeks, and never has to be recharged, and the pen is magnetically attached to the tablet's side. If you wish to type, you may use the new keyboard attachment. The tablet costs $299, but you'll need to spend an extra $79 for a pen, or $129 if you want one with an eraser on the end. There are several methods for organizing your work into separate notebooks or fast sheets, and you may classify them using tags and folders. You can also transfer PDFs and ebooks to the slate using the company's app or website, and Remarkable offers a Chrome plugin that allows you to send any web page to be viewed on the tablet. You may sync your notes to Google Drive, Dropbox, or Microsoft OneDrive. To use synchronization and unrestricted cloud storage, you may need to purchase a Connect membership, $3 per month. Hands down, the hottest digital notebook this year so far. And there you have it, a list for the best innovative digital interactive notebooks on the market for school and work. If you found this video informative and helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more latest innovation tech finds here on our channel, and make sure to also watch the latest video up here to see the best laptop stand for desk spaces and home use. And check the description down below if you want to purchase one of these digital interactive notebooks.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing